Plant family, 79 genera in Bignoniaceae. Exploring the Bignoniaceae family, a personal journey. As I've delved deeper into the world of botany, one family that has consistently piqued my interest is the Bignoniaceae family. Known for its stunning flowers and diverse genera, this family has much to offer both amateur gardeners and seasoned horticulturists alike. Today, I want to share my personal experiences and insights into this fascinating plant family. A brief overview of Bignoniaceae. The Bignoniaceae family, commonly referred to as the trumpet vine family, comprises around 100 species across various genera. This family is characterized by its distinctive, tubular flowers that attract hummingbirds and other pollinators. These plants are predominantly found in tropical and subtropical regions, but some species can thrive in temperate zones as well. From my experience, one of the standout features of the Bignoniaceae family is the wide array of plant forms it encompasses, including vines, shrubs, and trees. Each genus within the family presents unique characteristics that contribute to the overall beauty and diversity of this botanical group. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Cultural significance. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, many species in the Bignoniaceae family hold cultural significance in various regions. For instance, in parts of South America, certain species are used in traditional medicine, while others play roles in local folklore. Learning about these cultural ties has deepened my appreciation for the family. It's a reminder of how intertwined plants are with human history and culture. Growing Bignoniaceae in your garden. If you're considering adding Bignoniaceae plants to your garden, I recommend doing a bit of research on the specific species that interest you. Each has unique growing requirements, so it's essential to understand their needs to ensure successful cultivation. From my experience, the trumpet vine, Campsis radicans, is an excellent choice for beginners. It's low maintenance and can flourish in various soil types. Just ensure it gets plenty of sunlight and has space to grow. On the other hand, if you're looking for something a bit more exotic, the Cape honeysuckle, Tecommeria capensis, offers a stunning floral display and can thrive in warmer climates. Ecological importance. The ecological role of the Bignoniaceae family cannot be overstated. These plants provide critical habitats and food sources for various pollinators, particularly hummingbirds and bees. In my garden, I've noticed an increase in pollinator activity since I introduced Bignoniaceae species. This vibrant family plays a vital part in maintaining biodiversity, making it crucial to promote their growth in both private and public spaces. Conclusion. The Bignoniaceae family has undoubtedly enriched my gardening experience. With its stunning flowers, diverse genera, and ecological significance, it's a family that every plant enthusiast should explore. I encourage you to consider incorporating these remarkable plants into your own gardens. You might just find, as I have, that they bring a sense of joy and connection to nature that's truly unparalleled. Whether you're drawn to their beauty, their pollinator-friendly traits, or their cultural significance, there's no denying the allure of the Bignoniaceae family.